Hi! Somebody's about to get a special delivery from Xerox. Join me today to see what I created inside this little package of goodness. Now, let's dive in.
Welcome, Xerockers. Well, today's a little different. We have a commission or special order for an ornament. And this cute little bear, he's about 5 inches in width and probably done on a glow forge. And I purchased it. I went ahead, taped off the back, and we're going to put this beautiful stained glass in white and make him a polar bear. And she wanted some gold accents as well. And we're going to use this glass called Van Gogh glass, and it's mirrored on the back. And today's tools will be some glass nippers, running pliers, and some glass or a glass cutter just in case. Also, don't forget, if you don't wear glasses, to wear some safety glasses or some sort of goggle and closed-toed shoes. We're starting today's project with the Van Gogh glass. That's the back. It has a mirror coating on it and then that beautiful colored front. You want to make sure and use a mirror-friendly glue when you use anything that has a mirror backing. If you don't, the glue eats away at that and it leaves those black splotches you've probably seen on your bathroom or other kinds of mirrors. A little backstory about this piece. Now, I do take commissions or special orders, and this particular customer is a repeat customer. And this is, I think, probably number 5 or 6. And this year's color theme is white and gold. And a fun fact for you, polar bears are considered marine mammals, so he fits right in with our theme. Before I go any farther, I want to add my signature to this piece, and not the signature you're thinking. I like to add a little piece of sea glass. In this case, this is called milk glass because it comes from white glass, vase, bowl, whatever, and tumbled in the ocean. And here we are. We have our nice little piece of milk glass that's going to be my signature on this piece. And if you've enjoyed this video so far, I would appreciate it if you could splash the like button and subscribe and click that bell. So for the rest of this, I'm going to use a tacky glue. Now, creating mosaics is a very time-consuming process, so I'm going to go ahead and fast forward us through this so you're not bored to death, and I'll see you on the other side. All the glass has been attached, and now we're ready for some grout. My area is all prepped, and I'm going to use this ready-to-use pre-mixed sanded grout from Home Depot, and I'm going to use it in Arctic White. Again, this is kind of a tedious process, but I'm just going to go ahead and let you watch as I fast forward through it for you. Once the grout is in the appropriate places, then it's time to just kind of wipe off the excess very gently because I don't want to scrape the grout out of the cracks that I just filled. Don't forget to splash that like and subscribe button. It helps me put out new content every week. Now, because this is an ornament, it has to hang by a hole, and the hole's been covered up. So I need to find that hole again because you can't do it after it's dry because grout is just cement. So I just kind of poke around and find it, and again, just get that nice and clean and ready for its drying time. Now, some more steps that did not get filmed just because I didn't want to bore you to death are after this, it will be cleaned a couple more times, it will be sealed, the edges and back will be painted, and the hanging ornament or hanging part of the ornament will be added. So don't miss it, our reveal is next. Now, don't mind me, I'm fighting with the wind, but wind and sun is better than rain, so I'll take it. And there he is, our adorable polar bear. He's white and he's gold, and look how the sun hits those iridescent pieces. And that Van Gogh glass gives it some real depth and color as well. Hey, thanks for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed yourself, and I hope Candace enjoys her new ornament too. I invite you to join the Sea Rocker family. Like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell, do all those things you need to do so you know the next time when I make some more content. And don't forget to follow me on my other social media platforms and visit my website as well. Thanks for watching, and until next time, go beach or go home.